Hi guys, this is a quick review of our oceans unit. Specifically, it's mixtures and solutions. So mixtures and solutions, the difference between the two is that when a mixture, when you put the two things together, or three things, two or more, that they can be separated, even if it takes effort, that they can be separated without having to physically change any of them. So some examples of that are Chex Mix or sand mixed with water or sand and rocks. So think about that sand and water. Even though I'm putting the sand in the water, if I stirred it, eventually that sand would sink back to the bottom. And so that means that they're separating from each other, that I could easily just filter out that water and all that's left is the sand. This is completely opposite from when I have a solution, which is when I put two or more things together and they can't be separated. So think about, and usually it's because one dissolves into the other. So think about when we mix lemonade mix and water. So unlike the sand and the water, the sand sinks to the bottom and it separates. That's a mixture. With a solution, it dissolves together. And then I can no longer see the part that I had stirred in. So the lemonade mix, or if I'm mixing salt and water together, I can't see the salt anymore. It has now been dissolved into the water. It doesn't have to be just water mixed together with something. Air is also an example of a solution because I can't separate out the methane from the nitrogen from the oxygen and only take the parts that I want. They're all dissolved together to make one solution. So the biggest difference, can I separate them? Can I see the individual parts or pieces that were used to mix it? In a mixture, I can see them still. They're separate from each other. In a solution, I cannot see them anymore and they cannot be easily separated. So that was mixtures and solutions.